Hey Keto Clan, have you ever wished that you could get good quality keto food delivered right to your door? Well, guess what? Welcome back, everybody. Today we're talking about Thrive. Okay, Thrive is a food delivery service that is actually really cool. You can go onto their website and select the type of diet that you're on. So obviously I selected keto. They are an affiliate, so if you do follow the links down in the description, I will get a piece of this and you'll definitely be helping out our channel and allowing us to keep putting out this content. Now, this is my very first Thrive box. I just ordered it. It took about 3 days to get here. I have opened up the tape, but I haven't actually opened it up yet. So this is the first time I'm seeing it too. So the packaging is really good. This is really high quality cardboard. And we got a lot of packing material here just to make sure that everything gets delivered safely. And here we've got coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. Now, the thing with everything that you get through Thrive, you're getting the highest quality stuff you can get. It is a little bit more expensive, but what's really cool about Thrive is I went for the year subscription. It was $60, and just about everything on this website is right around 50% off. It's between 40 and 60. It averages to about 50% off of what you would get this stuff for if you went to, say, Whole Foods or Sprouts or some of the more higher end health food stores. So this is awesome. Overall, with the subscription and everything that we got here, I spent about $120. Now, that does sound like a lot of money, but remember, half of that is the subscription that I don't have to pay again for a whole nother year. So let's see what else we got in here. Now, you do get to pick what you want to get. It's just, I'm really absent-minded and I forgot what I actually bought. So this is as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. Lots of packing paper. But again, that's a really good thing. You want to make sure that everything gets here safely, okay? So here we've got organic stone ground mustard, right? And we got our bone broth right there. Again, organic bone broth, super high quality ingredients. Here we have almond butter. Now this I'm really excited for. I really love me some almond butter, and it's really hard to find a really super high quality almond butter that doesn't add any additional oils to it. And this guy right here, it does have some other ingredients in it, but for the most part, it's almonds. No, not for the most part. It is just almonds, which is fantastic. Okay, and then we have a ghee spray oil. I am so interested in seeing how this works. So far, everything that I've read, everything that I've heard about Thrive products, they're all very much on point. And ghee is going to be one of the sources of really high quality fats for us. So I'm very excited about this. Now, let's see what else we got. Ooh, that looks fancy. This almost looks like a camo netting for anybody that was in our armed services. Thank you for your service. When I was stationed out in Germany, we used to use stuff that looked like this all the time. All right, we've got avocado oil. And again, this is all, very high quality stuff here. I'm super excited to actually be using some of this higher quality stuff. And we got I might repurpose that for something. Avocado oil mayo. Now, here's the important thing with mayo. is whether or not it is made with soybean oil. Soybean oil is highly inflammatory. There obviously are other things out there that are more inflammatory. If you have to get the regular mayonnaise at the store, you're going to be doing okay. I've been using the regular mayonnaise for the entire 2 years that I've been on keto, and obviously I'm still seeing results. You see my before and after pictures. But when you get to the point where you really want to step it up, you really want to get to your goals, you want to make sure you are the healthiest you possibly can, the ingredients that you use matter, the quality of the ingredients that you use matter. And you can see in here, there is no soybean oil. You're looking at avocado oil, organic eggs, organic egg yolk, organic vinegar, sea salt, organic rosemary extract. I mean, there is nothing in here that isn't organic, high quality stuff. Our next product, organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. Okay, now the mother is this cloudy stuff that you see. When you see the apple cider vinegar and it's cloudy, it's the particles from the apple that make it cloudy. Okay, now I'm saying apple and it's like, oh no, apples are so full of sugar. No, apple cider vinegar is phenomenal. It is so good for you in so many different ways that I'm going to have to make a whole nother video just to explain the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. And getting organic apple cider vinegar with the mother is the cream of the crop. Okay, it's the best that you could actually do. This is actually what I'm going to be making some bacon mayo with later on too. But also with apple cider vinegar, just taking a small like cap full of apple cider vinegar in the morning with your water is really going to help cleanse your system out and get you prepped for the rest of the day. It does not taste good, okay? But if you know, mix it in with some water, do whatever you need to do, there are some amazing health benefits to that. Okay, our next item. I am really impressed with how everything is packaged in here. Okay, we've got avocado oil. Did I already have avocado oil? I got 2 things of avocado oil. Look at that. I'm fancy. I got 2 different avocado oil. Oh yeah, okay. So I got a second avocado oil because when I signed up, I got a free gift and I chose avocado oil as the free gift. And then I got another avocado oil just because I know I'm going to be using a lot of avocado oil. All right, and our last item in this box is ranch. Avocado oil ranch. Now here's the thing with a lot of the ranch dressings that you get at regular grocery stores. There's a lot of ingredients in there that we really don't want, right? And if you get like the Hidden Valley ranch packets and even make your own, if you look at the ingredients in those, a lot of the times they have maltodextrin in them. And if you've seen any of my other videos where I talk about maltodextrin, that stuff is poison. You definitely want to stay away from that. Okay, but this, I am super excited to test this out. It actually would have been awesome to have this last night. I made a salad and I did have to use the rest of my ranch dressing that I got from the regular store, but I did end up using some of my homemade bacon mayo in that salad. It was outstanding. But yeah, so this is everything that I got in this Thrive box. Definitely check out the link down below. Like I said, I am an affiliate of Thrive. I definitely stand by their products. I paid $120 for, well, not just this box, but the subscription too. I did this before I became an affiliate because I wanted to test everything out. I wanted to see how it was packaged. I wanted to see how quickly it shipped. So I had all this information for you, and I knew that I was going to be representing a good, solid product. I am. So definitely check it out. It's definitely worth the money. I think if you have the money to spend on these really high-end, high-quality things that are just going to help you on your keto journey. So with all that said, make sure you like and subscribe this video. Check out all the links in my description, and keto on.